is Jessica Radicke. I would like to introduce you to Tina Bildstein. She is the founder of Country Life Kids Camp, a nonprofit Christian youth summer day camp located right here in Medina, Ohio. So we all have childhood experiences that define us. Tina, can you touch upon your childhood experiences that really influences the camp?
One of my strongest influences that is embedded within the culture and fiber of the camp is my childhood experience. As a competitive high school and college athlete who played and coached a variety of sports, basketball, track, volleyball, and soccer, you'll see this influence through a variety of programming options such as our fitness track for instructional sports, and our character development in the curriculum with coaching character, athlete of the week, sports ethics, just to name a few.
So Tina, can you tell us what the expectations are of your team?
The expectation is that each team member is invested in the continued development and well-being of each camper. Our team is highly committed to teach our core values, which are respect, responsibility, honesty, and caring. Those core values are woven into our positive reward system for the kids. I'd like to introduce a key individual that excels in academics, who has a generous heart and invests in our core belief system for children. Her name is Jessie Radicke, our assistant camp director. Jess, how would you summarize what makes Country Life Kids Camp a unique summer day camp?
So Tina, there's a lot of summer camps, but they're not all created equal. And what separates Country Life Kids Camp from the others is that it's unique and exceptional things that we do. Such as we have weekly themed activities every week, even with special events. And we do them all custom right here in-house. The other thing is the caring people. We have a team that are full of caring individuals, and the reward system is amazing. We really try to help develop the children to have a moral compass by which they can lead their lives. Parents, this is a key part. You get the opportunity to choose between two physical fitness tracks, an instructional sports track, which includes athletic performance training, as well as also you can choose our cooperative games track. So every child is different and unique. And this is the big thing that we want to highlight, is that not every child has the same interest. But more importantly, instead of talking about it, let me show you. So come on, let's go on a tour and show you what Country Life Kids Camp is really about.
This is one of our 4 outdoor pavilions for the kids. It's pretty cool because we offer a slide-in door. This door actually slides and closes. It gives you that feel of the outdoors. with the security of being able to close the door based on the elements. We also on the other side have a drop-down curtain, a plastic curtain that secures to the concrete. It's a lot of fun to be able to be in here and teach in an outdoor environment. This pavilion is set up with all the necessary electronics to be able to teach in an environment that's comfortable for kids. We also offer our stewardship board for children to sign up weekly to participate in activities that teaches responsibility, different responsibilities throughout the camp. We have our camp rules that we go over with the kids, our code of conduct, along with a positive reinforcement policy, which is explained to the campers weekly. As we walk down the sidewalk, you can see our neat treehouse. The campers have an opportunity to eat in the treehouse if they're selected as Camper of the Day or honored with the Camper of the Week award. So that's a real prestigious honor that the kids enjoy doing. We have porta potties throughout the property. We have 2 fire pits, swings, and this pavilion is a great resource for everyone. As we follow the cobblestones, leads you to the butterfly garden and the outdoors area for the kids to be able to play, which includes the basketball court, soccer fields, obstacle course. Our sports pavilion is located on the other side of the property. You can see it in the distance there. As we walk around to the cubbies, where the kids come in the morning and they drop off their belongings into each of the cubbies that are located through here. Again, under a closed pavilion. We have a beautiful garden area. We have both a hydroponics lab along with a greenhouse. The kids raise their own food. They eat it at the end of summer if they're with us. We also donate any excess food to Feed the Hungry and different organizations that we are involved with. Over here we have our duck aviary along with some pull-up bars that are used for physical fitness and agility. You'll notice one thing on property is we have 7 Eagle Scout projects. We get involved in the community and the campers that come through the camp. And you can see the ducks coming down. There they are. We raise call ducks and the kids enjoy raising them. Every year we get a new brood of ducks that the kids raise. It's a lot of fun. Hey, hi, good morning, ducks. Some of them are out for their morning stroll. We have 3 basketball courts that are used as part of our instructional sports side of the camp. Parents have an opportunity to pick which fitness track their children would like to go into. And again, a lot of our sporting elements are used on the instructional sports side of our camp. This is our greenhouse. We have a few things growing in it right now. We have kale, peppers. One thing that's nice is the greenhouse, the hydroponics lab, they're both covered. So the elements of the rain do not come into play during the summer for us. As far as what we're growing right now, the cucumbers, tomatoes, we have some lavender that's growing in our hydroponic system down here. Some strawberries, as you can see. Very educational for the kids to learn about hydroponics and how to grow things that are not in dirt.
Let's check in with Coach Ben just up the hill and see what he has to say about instructional sports.
I'm the athletic program director here at Country Life Kids Camp. I'll be starting my 9th year with the camp. It is a fun, exciting, dynamic experience for myself, but also for the campers. I have been teaching physical education for the past 23 years. And I've also had the opportunity to coach sports from the 7th grade level all the way up through the varsity level at high school with baseball, basketball, volleyball, and cross country. And I have a combined 63 years experience of seasons coaching. So, welcome to our newest edition at Country Life Kids Camp, our sport education classroom pavilion. Great space for sport education, tactics, strategies, talking about those things that will make you successful. Our sport classroom also allows for us to teach positive characteristics of athletics, being a good person, being a good student, and ultimately becoming a phenomenal athlete. Character counts, and that is a big part of what we promote here at Country Life Kids Camp. Welcome to our Country Life Kids Camp Team Challenge Obstacle Course. Our Team Challenge Obstacle Course is a great opportunity for our campers to physically and mentally challenge themselves. They persevere by making improvements, they gain confidence, and it's exciting, it's thrilling to watch them each chance they are on this obstacle course. Welcome to our Gaga Pit. Gaga Ball is a fun and exciting game that the campers love to play at camp. We appreciate the efforts of Nicholas Bear and his Eagle Scout project to help make this part of our camp.
Time to check in with Coach Matt and see what he has in store for the kids at the Agility Station.
Hello, my name is Matthew Bildstein, and I am a fitness instructor and camp counselor for the instructional side of Country Life Kids Camp. And today I'm going to be showing you guys some of the pull-up movements we will be working on here at camp this year. So here at camp we will have 3 main levels of pull-ups. The beginner level will just be hanging from the bar and seeing how long we can hold our body weight off of the ground. The next level will be using either a step stool or one of these lower bars in order to kind of distribute the weight between a pull-up and having some weight on the ground. So it will look something like this. The kids will keep their feet on the ground, grab like they would a normal pull-up, but they're probably pulling about half their weight. And if they bring their feet even closer, it's even easier. So this kind of gives you different levels. And then ultimately the goal would be for the kids to eventually be able to do a pull-up just like this, going all the way up, all the way down. By doing these pull-ups, they will be increasing their flexibility, confidence, and strength.
So Tina, in closing, what are you most proud of about Country Life Kids Camp?
Country Life Kids Camp is our family's way of giving back to the community by offering a sense of peace to parents. I'm passionate about children and driven by the stewardship through the mission of the camp. The camp provides me an awesome opportunity to go out into the community and make a difference in a child's life, where kids can be kids, playing outdoors and enjoying the freedom of summer. We hope your family will join our ever-growing Country Life Kids Camp family, servicing thousands of families in our community. God bless and God bless America.